One of the biggest myths about the soft drink is that it is called as toilet cleaner. Have you ever wondered why people say that? And what is the common ingredient that connects the two? So stay with me till the end of the video, it will be interesting. Can Pepsi and Coca-Cola be compared to toilet cleaners? The direct answer to it is no. People use this comparison because toilet cleaners contain certain acids and cold drinks contain these acids too. The acids in cold drinks are citric acids and phosphoric acids. Citric acid can be found naturally. You can get citric acid in lemons and oranges as well. On the other hand, phosphoric acid is a common food grade additive. Whenever there is high sugar content, mold and bacteria can easily grow there. So phosphoric acid prevents the growth of that bacteria. You will not only find the phosphoric acid in soft drinks but also in jams, processed meat, cereal bars, bottled coffee beverages, baking powder, protein drinks and in fact in cheese also. Interesting point is these two acids are also found in several toilet cleaners. But still, comparing soft drinks and toilet cleaners to each other will be wrong. Because as you would have studied chemistry at school, there are some mild acids, the dilute acids, and there are concentrated acids. They are stronger than dilute acids. Without going into too many details, phosphoric acid is a weak acid and toilet cleaners have stronger chemicals such as sodium hypochlorite and hydrochloric acid. These are used to clean strong stains. Hydrochloric acid is in our stomachs too. It is one of the main components of gastric acid. But our stomach is not a toilet cleaner, right? Another point is that the pH level of soft drink is the same as the pH level of toilet cleaner. You would recall learning in school that the pH level is used to measure acidity, that how acidic is substance. The pH level of soft drink is normally around 2. If this myth is clear to you, then you would wonder that if it is okay to drink soft drink. The simple answer is no. In a nutshell, just because the presence of citric acid and phosphoric acid in both of items and same level of pH, people say this. I hope you now understand why people say that soft drinks are like toilet cleaners. So this was all about my today's video. I hope you like this video. Give subscribe button and give huge thumbs up. Until the next video, take care and bye-bye.